welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, it's gonna be a little bit of a different video, but I was really inspired by Sarah Therese, I don't know. I'll have her channel linked below and the video as well. She did a video called Greek versus Canadian makeup, and that got me thinking, who's more qualified to do a Greek versus American makeup, since I'm Greek American. So I just think this is gonna be a fun little video. It's just compare makeup styles between like two countries, and yeah, let's just jump right into it. So I'm just gonna be using the same base for both sides, and everything I use will be in the description if I forget to tell you. Now, what's the difference between Greek and American makeup? We all have YouTube, so we can all like just do the same style of makeup. The really full coverage and full glam and the baddie makeup and all that. It still, you know, happens in Greece too. But I think for the most part, for, you know, the average Greek person that wears makeup, it's just very simple and minimal. I guess more natural, I would say. But just like Sarah said in the video, I think in Greece we mostly focus on the skincare part of it, making the skin look glowy and obviously durable, because Greece is very hot, especially now in the summer, and you don't want your makeup to like sweat off. It depends on what you like as well. Mostly the makeup artists in Greece kind of have adopted the Western style of makeup. For an everyday person, just a normal person in Greece wearing makeup, it's just mostly a natural look, glowy skin, and usually eyeliner. I definitely went through my phase of wearing eyeliner every single day. That was me in high school. I already moisturized my face, so the skincare part of it, that's down. Now, I've seen very good looks here in Greece, very good makeup looks. Lots of pretty girls with good makeup, but I've also seen some very, very bad makeup. Not like I'm saying like I'm the best at makeup, but I'm talking foundation looking like it's melting off your face, contour, oh my god, the contour, oh shit, okay. The contour, sometimes I just see somebody's contour and I'm like, boy, why are you using blush for contour? It's bad. I've seen that so many times. I don't know why. I don't know if you can relate. If you're in Greece and you're watching this, let me know. Now, obviously this doesn't apply to everyone, but I've seen some shit. So now we're moving on to concealer. For the American side, I'm going to be using the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer. This is a very high coverage concealer. Let's do this side. American. Just put concealer everywhere. And then I'll just be putting a little bit of the Instant Age Rewind concealer just under my eyes for the Greek side. Yes. Yes. A lot of people in Greece don't use beauty blenders, to be honest. I mean, I know a lot of people that don't use beauty blenders in Greece, or maybe use other types of sponges but not beauty blender. I kind of stopped liking the too much makeup. Kind of like the natural glowy dewy skin look. Yeah, I guess that kind of changed. I'm using a cream contour stick for the Greek side, because like I said, if you want your makeup to last in the heat, you have to use the creams, you have to set that with the powder. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and this is a liquid highlighter. Like I said, we focus on the skin, gotta look glowy and dewy. Ooh, that's a lot. Ooh, okay, I think that's too much, but we'll make it work. Grab some of that. Okay, great. Now I'm just gonna be applying powder to both sides, but on the American side I'm gonna be baking, and on the Greek side I'm only just gonna like dab it in a little bit. Let's get this eye snatched. Yes. And for the Greek side, I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of powder just to set that in place. So now I'll be bronzing out my face on the Greek side, but mostly to just make it last throughout the day. Okay, so for the American side, I'm also gonna be bronzing up, but I'm gonna go a little more heavy on this. Now on the American side, I'm also gonna be just cutting this line right here with some powder. Ooh, okay. What the fuck? Oh my god, what the fuck? So, for the Greek side, I'm gonna be starting my brows, and I'm gonna be using my Browvo Conditioning Primer by Benefit just to get it ready for some brow products. So for the Greek side, I'm not going to be doing much with my eyebrows. I'm just going to be putting some Gimme Brow by Benefit, and this has a tint to it. This is number 5. So it's just going to be like a little more defined, but not too much. Kind of brushing them up, making them look a little bit more bushy. Fun fact, in ancient Greece, they actually drew on a fake unibrow. I love that. There we go. Maybe I should just do the tutorial like this. Okay, so you can't see, but I'm opening my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in Ebony. Oh my god, where's the sun? And I'm just gonna be doing my other brow with this. That's a brow bit. And setting that with some clear brow gel. I'm also gonna sculpt this brow out with some concealer. I'm gonna be moving on to eyes. So for the Greek side, I'm just gonna be taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just gonna be doing a very thin line. Just barely extending my eye. Great. But now for the American side, I want to do a little bit more than that. So I'm just going to be taking my Modern Renaissance palette. Let's just start off with raw sienna like everybody does. And just putting that in my crease. Then I'll be going in with Realgar. Taking Primavera on my finger, I'm going to be putting that right on top. Beautiful. So I'm just going to be applying a lash right on this side, and I'll be right back. Okay, lash is on. Now I'll just be applying some mascara on both eyes. I'm dusting off the bake that I've been baking for so long. And then I'll be going in with some blush. This is the NARS blush in Orgasm, and I'm going to be putting a little bit on the American side. I'm going to go a little harder on the Greek side. We like looking natural and flushed and sunburned. I'm going to put a little bit on my nose that way. Yeah, that way. I'll just be finishing off my lower lash line on the American side. Now I'm going to be applying a little bit more highlight on the Greek side, but I'm also going to put highlighter on this side. So I'm going to be spraying my face, finishing this part of the face off. And while it's still wet, I'm still gonna put some more highlighter on. I'm also going to be using setting spray on this side of the face. For this side of the face, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Trendsetter. And okay, this is gonna look a little weird. Okay, so for the Greek side, I'm only gonna be using this lip balm by The Body Shop. Did overline my lip on this side a little bit. So this is the Greek side, just natural. This is a different type of glow. Oh, this is so weird. I like the Greek side better because that's just what I do. usually. Okay, so that's the video for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I hope I see you in my next one, which is gonna be very soon. And yeah, bye. Bye.